बात अब यहाँ पर कॉफ़ी की कर लेते हैं, जहाँ पर कॉफ़ी बोर्ड 2047 तक भारत में उत्पादन 2 गुना होने की उम्मीद कर रहा है। साथ ही साथ इस तरह के आगे की किस तरह की सप्लाईज हैं और इंडियन एक्सपोर्ट्स कैसे हैं, इन सब पर चर्चा करने के लिए हमारे साथ विंटेज कॉफ़ी एंड बेवरेजेस के CMD बालकृष्ण टाटी हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया आपका समय निकालने के लिए। आपके नंबर्स भी यहाँ पर काफ़ी बेहतरीन आए हैं। पहले तो हमें उनसे ही बात कर लीजिए, क्योंकि फर्स्ट हाफ के अगर हम यहाँ पर नंबर्स देखें तो चाहे वो आपकी कैपेसिटी है, रेवेन्यूज़ है, पैट है, सारा कुछ यहाँ पर हमने काफ़ी पॉजिटिव बनता हुआ देखा।
जी हाँ, because compared to the last year, so we have done a very good, extremely good, and because the market is extremely good, and the value-added product, especially the soluble coffee industry, is really growing, and there is a phenomenal demand, especially from the countries like Southeast Asia and Central America and Europe, and also African countries, and also that's really give the more encouragement to us. In addition to that, it really helps us a lot, especially when the coffee board also taking the initiatives, and the output of the Indian coffees is increasing, and it is increasing almost 12% for Arabicas and 10%. This is what actually coffee board projected for the current year, and a Robusta. So that really adds a lot. And vintage coffee as such, we have an excellent customers base and a new market, new geographies we are entering, and we are doing an extremely good in that one. That's the reason the first half results is quite good, and also second half also we have a good orders and a good order book and this thing. Yes.
मिस्टर टाटी, आप ओवरऑल इंडियन मार्केट को अब यहाँ पर कैसे देखते हैं? जैसे आपने कहा 10 से 12% का इंक्रीज यहाँ पर अराबिका एंड रोबस्टा दोनों में देखने को मिल सकता है। प्राइसेस को लेकर क्या सेंस है? पिछला एक साल कैसा रहा उस लिहाज से?
Yeah, compared to the last year, the prices are now stable. It is stable because the Brazil coffee output is slightly higher compared to this thing. And this year also they are projecting quite a good. Brazil is one of the largest producer of coffee, and obviously everything is controlled, and all the prices are depends on the Brazil crop and all. And fortunately, this year also they are projecting a good crop, and especially countries like Vietnam, where the Robusta is grown, and India also. India is one of the seventh largest exporter from soluble coffee across the world globe. So Indian output also increasing, and Indian quality is quite a group, and prices which remains more or less stable. I think these levels only it will remain, and because since there was a sanctions from America and all that, but that really not have any impact on our soluble coffee segment, especially. I think this year will continue to have a good this thing.
अगर हम यहाँ पर अब विंटेज कॉफ़ी की यहाँ पर बात करें, किस तरह से आप आगे जाकर अपना बिजनेसेस देखते हैं इंडियन मार्केट्स के हिसाब से भी और ग्लोबल एक्सपेंशंस के तहत?
Global expansions in the sense that we already presence all over the world except a few of the segments, especially like Australia, which we are now planning to enter into, and some Japan and other markets which we are planning to enter into the coming months and all. But with regards to the Indian markets, of course, Indian market is growing, and we all started already selling in Indian market in a good volumes. And I'm sure that because there is a phenomenal growth, especially the way the government of India has taken the steps, especially the GST has dropped it from 18% to 5%. That usually boosts us more, selling the more product into domestic market, and it is available to the each and every consumers at a competitive price and all. If you see that, so that is an added advantage for us to focus more on the Indian market also. And apart from that, international market as such, the market globally is growing almost 2 to 2.5%, and in that the freeze-dried coffee market is growing very well. We are also planning to set up the freeze-dried coffee plant. Vintage Coffee has already taken the steps to set up the freeze-dried coffee plant, and very soon, next another one and a half years times, the plant will be ready. And this is one of the premium products where the market is growing almost to 7 to 8% year on year.
मिस्टर टाटी, साथ ही साथ अगर आप हमें ये बता सकें कि किस तरह की कैपेसिटी एक्सपेंशन और इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की यहाँ पर आपकी एज ऑफ नाउ प्लानिंग है?
अभी तो हमारा कैपेसिटी इज 6,500 टन का कैपेसिटी है। उसमें से हम लोग वी आर प्लानिंग टू इन अनदर 4,500 टन कैपेसिटी इन नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स टाइम, सो दैट विल कम इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर्स. And in addition to that, that means 11,000 tons capacity will have it by say April 2026. In addition to that, by 27th mid, we will have another 5,500 metric tons for freeze-dried coffee. So with that, we will end up around 16,500 to 17,000 tons का capacity हमारा बढ़ जाएगा. With this will really help us because we will have all the product. We have a roast and ground coffee, and we have a spray-dried coffee, we have agglomeration coffee, and we have a freeze-dried coffee. We'll have freeze-dried coffee. So we'll have all the products in this thing. Yes.
All right. Mr. बालकृष्ण, एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर, अगर जाके इंडिया का ओवरऑल कॉफी इकोनॉमिक्स इकोनॉमी आप कैसे देखते हैं?
No, Indian coffee economy, if you see that the way government of India has taken the initiative, as I mentioned earlier, in fact, recently Modi sir also, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Modi ji also expressed the satisfaction about Indian coffee and the taste and uniqueness, which I was mentioned even 2 years back also. India has a unique taste profile for the coffee bean. So it is widely accepted across the globe actually. So this India, we need to put a little bit more efforts, especially for the helping the farmers and focusing more on the outputs and all. Then sure that India will be one of the major coffee producing country, and the coffee will be sold across the globe.
पॉइंट टेकन। मिस्टर बालकृष्ण आदि, बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ आज यहाँ पर जुड़ने के लिए और वो कॉफ़ी इकोनॉमी इंडिया और ग्लोबल की हमारे साथ शेयर भी करने के लिए। इसी के साथ फिलहाल इस कार्यक्रम में इतना ही समय है, मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। आप बने रहिए CNBC आवाज़ पर।